vai sentar no
Nmap, short for Network Mapper, is a free and powerful tool created by Gordon Lyon to scan networks, find open ports, and detect vulnerabilities. Its influence in cybersecurity is so strong that it's even featured in The Matrix and Mr. Robot. But why do hackers prefer Nmap over other scanning tools? For a reason. It simplifies network mapping without complex setups. From basic host discovery to advanced scripting with the Nmap scripting engine, it uncovers active devices, detects open ports, and reveals critical vulnerabilities, all in just a few commands. To get started, you'll need Nmap. No Nmap, no problem. Linux users mostly have it, but if not, just run sudo apt install Nmap. Windows and Mac OS users, just grab it from here. Before running any scans, it's important to stay on the right side of the law. Scanning without permission can get you into legal trouble. Always test on your own network, a VPS, or allowed targets like ScanMe and map.org. For real-world testing, get proper authorization to stay ethical and safe. Now, let's talk about Nmap's powerful switches. Switches are key options that modify Nmap's behavior, like SS, stealth scan, O, OS detection, A, aggressive scan, and more. Want to explore all switches of Nmap? Run man Nmap on your terminal. This was just part 1 of Nmap, covering the basics. In the next part, we'll dive into full practical demonstrations, so stay tuned. Happy hacking!